many fingers are we missing? We found one.
Watch what happened when police responded to a home after a 6-year-old was hurt by a gunshot.
Man, what's going on?
He got my drawer. He got my gun. I blew his hand off.
Do you want to sit down? Q96, it's going to be a small child shot himself in the hand with the father's handgun, I believe. He is alive currently. Glock 9. 6, they're advising it's a Glock 9mm handgun. Hello. Got a probably 3 or 4-year-old that blew his hand off with a 9mm. I talked to the dad briefly, said he got into his, I said, what is going on, man? I said, he got into my nightstand and got my gun and blew his hand off. He's crying and screaming and can feel him sticking needles in him, and eyes are open, but it's pretty gnarly injury. I have Tim down there now, but we're gonna have to, Briner got to report the kid was dead. He's far from dead, but it is pretty serious. He's definitely have to go on a helicopter. I've only seen a little bit of the hand, but the little bit that I've seen looks not good.
Sir, I'm sorry to be this way, but I'm going to the hospital.
Sir, I need you to stay here.
I can't. I gotta go see my son.
Listen to me. Is the house open?
I just shut it.
Is it unlocked?
I don't know. I live right here.
In this 4th 5?
Yep.
Okay, so whatever happened here at your son's house?
This place right here.
Okay.
My son is screaming for me.
I know. I hear you. So you were not in this house today?
No.
Okay. What we got? 5-year-old autistic kid lives here with dad. Kid got into dad's nightstand, pulled the 9mm out of dad's nightstand and blew his hand off.
Blew the kid's hand off?
Yep. Kid shot himself in the hand.
People tend to believe that story. Is that, I don't know these people.
I don't either.
All right, camera there.
Yep.
At least one.
So this is Grandpa that lives here.
Grandpa lives here?
Yep,
okay.
Grandpa went to the hospital with Dad. They got blood coming out of the house going over to where, and then there's peel-out marks where the Dad left. And
yeah, I was in radio when the call came. I'm like, oh shit, I better haul ass on 81. I don't know if it was a kid abduction or what was going on.
Yeah.
I was in radio. They had like 4 to 6 911, like nobody talking, and at least one talking, and it was like, oh my God.
Yeah, there was, call 9. No, still alive.
Okay.
Hello. So I've not been in the house, but I got blood coming out of the front door, dripping down the drive or the sidewalk over to where the car left. Then I got peel-out marks, which is consistent with, everybody said Dad was running around banging on doors, telling people call 911. Then he said, I'm taking the kid to the hospital myself, and loaded him up and took off. So I got crime scene tape up. I got drops of blood coming out of the house, down the sidewalk into where the car was parked. I have not been in the house. I believe it's locked up. I haven't even tried to open the door yet. So,
is there anyone else at your house, man?
I brought my daughter with me.
I seen her out in the waiting room. What's your name?
Metro.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Yo, they're trying to get a hold of our investigation staff. Kid's alive. He was born in 2017. He ain't gonna have a whole hand. Are we on a 3-way here? I was just gonna call and tell Dalton just to meet me out here because the dude is out here. He's given consent to go in the house to at least go retrieve the fingers. I'm gonna talk to the dad a little bit more and see if we can get consent to go in and do the whole thing. He said they could go in there, didn't he?
Did you guys get a hold of Mom?
I don't know if they've gotten a hold of the mom or not yet.
Okay.
I know they're going in there to try to find the fingers. Can they go in there and process it? And
Anything you want, man?
okay, they can go in there and get the gun and secure the gun. Okay. If anything changes with that, let me know. Okay?
No.
All right. Okay, he gave us consent to do whatever we needed to do in there. I told him to get a hold of me if that changes, but as of right now, you have full access to do whatever the police need to do in there, is what he told me. So.
All right, we'll go in and check.
Let my dispatch know too. Henry 13 just got a call from the hospital. They're wanting digits recovered from the child. We're gonna go in the house, see if we can recover those.
Sheriff's office, make yourself known if you're in here.
Police department. So you got blood right here, blood there, all through here. Upstairs looks like.
Okay.
Oh wait, there's a casing right there. Oh, there's a magazine. Here's blood. Here's blood up here, Chad. Stops right here though. Got nothing.
That's an attic.
No blood there.
Okay.
Did he say where the round was, where it was shot? There's blood everywhere. I'm trying to find the kid's fingers.
Man, I have officers on the phone that are down at your house. Where the fingers?
I don't know. I was upstairs in bed. I don't know what happened. I just went downstairs, seen the blood, and grabbed it and started yelling.
Okay, so you don't know where he got.
It was in the bathroom. And the top cabinet is where it was, but
Okay.
it was inside of a holster wrapped around something inside the towel.
Okay, all right. It was in the bathroom in a top cabinet, and it was like wrapped in cloths and stuff. So it should be. I mean, I believe he doesn't know because he woke up and heard this.
Oh, here's one.
Oh, you got something?
Yep, got it. Right here. How many fingers are we missing? We found one.
How many fingers are we missing? 2? We're missing 2.
Ring and pinky.
Ring and pinky fingers.
Ring and pinky. We got one finger. We're still looking for the other one.
I'd tell you ring and just tip of pinky.
Okay, it's going to be just like the tip of the pinky finger.
Tip of the pinky. Okay, I got one whole finger, and looks like a tip of maybe a bone. Okay, yeah, we'll do some digging. But I think I've got a bone here.
Okay. All I got is a big Ziploc bag, but
That'll work.
I'm trying to find a different plastic bag though to wrap.
Yeah, that's the tip of his finger.
Okay.
I mean, if you want to.
So they have.
I'll do it.
They said they got one finger and then they got maybe the tip of the other one.
That should be.
Just come out here real quick.
But it's.
He's requesting you take
Well, you just take them all.
all the guns.
Oh, yeah, we'll deal with that in time. With everything, we got it. It'll be all right, man. We'll get through it. But
Nothing else. If you find something else, just let me know. Here's this. Okay. Here's this. All right.
Sure, 187, what's the address?
fingers.
Okay.
Good. Did you talk to an officer out at the hospital just now, or?
No.
Okay. Can you give me a statement on what happened this morning with you, or
All I got was a phone call, and I couldn't understand one word
from your son?
from my son. He was just, it was screaming, and then there was a kid in the background,
Yeah.
and he said, I can't actually say what he said.
Okay.
It was just so much screaming.
I'm recording this right now. I just want
That's
to let
fine.
you know. Okay.
That's fine.
So you were at your daughter's house. You got a phone call from your son, and he's screaming frantically.
He's frantically.
Okay.
Frankly.
Okay.
And he says and I heard him say, I can't get 911 on the phone. And so I first thing I did is I hung up, called 911, told him the address, and I came here. He was already gone to the hospital.
That's when I pulled up.
When you pulled up, I was
Okay.
out panicked.
Okay.
Your son's on his way to Springfield.
Thank you, sir, very much.
Grandson's okay though. I mean, he's gonna be okay.
I hope so.
Lost some fingers. How long does this? I asked you, usually take. I'm just clean up. I would like to get in there and clean up the blood before he comes home and sees it all.
Just be a few hours.
Just a few hours, okay.
Yeah. Hello. Can I talk to you for a second?
Sure.
What did you see or what happened this morning? First of all,
Okay.
I'm recording this, okay?
Okay, no problem. Well, I heard somebody knock my door. They slammed it like very hard.
Yeah.
It was like around 7:30.
Yeah.
And so when I dressed up, I just saw the lady. She was here, and she told me, "Can you please call 911? Something's happening." I go, okay. So I went inside. I grabbed my phone and started calling 911. But then I saw that guy from here. He took the two kids. I saw a boy and a girl.
Yeah.
And he left with his car. That's
Okay.
all.
You didn't
That's all.
see any blood or anything like that?
No,
Nothing?
nothing.
That's
Well,
unbelievable.
one of the kids was crying.
Yeah.
I remember that.
Okay.
Dalton,
Tim Mitro.
nice to meet you. Does your camera work? Just to corroborate
Yes,
that,
it
like,
does. But my daughter just called me,
Uh-huh.
and my sensitivity's not on. The only thing it captured, you're gonna have to get her, or you take my phone or whatever to get it.
Okay.
The only thing it captured, I believe, was him. This ain't his blood.
I'm guessing he sits here and plays video games and watches the kids play on the cameras.
He does have cameras in his home. I'm not sure if they record.
Like
he
a live
uses
feed.
them to just like if he goes upstairs, because the one that got injured is autistic.
Okay.
So he can't be left alone, clearly. But he usually has them like just on live view, so he can
So he
just
can
go
monitor.
to different monitor. But I will ask him. I asked my mom, because she's with them, if they record, and if they did record anything, so we can get you.
Yeah.
that.
And I saw the DVR behind the TV for it.
Okay.
So that's, I guess, kind of where we're at.
Where you're at.
We're just going to collect the evidence
Okay.
and go from there. I know I just talked to you the other day. I have a camera, okay, so this is recording. I want to read your rights real quick, okay, just because I want to talk to you, okay? So,
Springfield, don't I?
Yeah, we're waiting on the helicopter's got to come, so
Him, I know, but do I get to go?
I don't. We'll figure it all out here shortly.
all right, I'm going to read your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You understand those rights?
Yeah.
Okay. So just what, I know you probably explained it, but
Don't take it as rude or anything, but I'm not saying anything.
at all?
Because I don't know. I just woke up.
Okay, so tell me what happened when you woke up then, I guess.
Don't take this rude, but I'm going to remain silent.
Okay. That is fine. I'll let you get back with wherever you gotta get, okay? Alright, we're all done.
Okay.
I locked the door just so we don't have to get a hold of him to hear him say that you guys can go in there. So, any questions for us or anything?
Well, there's two questions, but I don't know how to ask them.
Yeah.
He just
So-
got the phone call from mother,
Mhm.
and he's gonna lose 4 fingers.
Okay. Honestly,
It's a
I'm glad.
blessing. It's a blessing.
I'm glad he's losing 4 fingers and
We're
he's
so
alive.
All right, I
If you have any
thank you very
questions,
much.
don't hesitate to call.
Do you want to go to Springfield? Is that what you're wanting to do? Let me call my investigator real quick, see if they need you for anything else.
Oh, thanks, Phil. I appreciate that.
Hello. You don't need him for anything else then now, right now, because he's thinking he's going to jail. So he can go to Springfield as far as you guys are concerned, right? All right, I'll talk to him. Nick, I talked to the investigators. They said you go to Springfield if you want to. It's not probably the last time that you'll hear from them, but you can go ahead and go down there with your kid, and then we know you're not skipping town. So
Can you take this? Yeah. I love you, baby. It's okay. Hey, they're just talking to me. It's okay.
yeah, we're just talking. So it's not. We're not saying it's over, obviously.
Thank you.
But we're gonna let you go down there. Okay? No problem.
He was later charged with failure to secure a firearm, child endangerment. He got a notice to appear. Police took a 9mm pistol, a spent casing, and the home's surveillance system. For more cases like this, hit subscribe.